Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add or include important life events on your Facebook profile. So if you had events in the past you want to update or include on your profile, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Facebook profile as you see on my screen right here. So pretty easy process. And you want to now select the About tab. Now on the left side, you want to go underneath where it says Life Events, and you can click inside of here, and you can actually go ahead and add a life event by clicking the little plus sign here. And you can add a work anniversary, education, relationship, maybe you bought a house, childbirth, travel that you may have visited someplace. You can add your own event. So a lot of different common events you want to add in here. Just gives your profile a little bit more interest, I would say. And that's honestly pretty much about it. As always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.